to graph this in your calculator and find the point of intersection. Okay, and you guys already know how to do that. So make sure you do that to make sure that this is correct. Okay, very good. That was example 4. Okay, so now let's do example 5. Okay. Example 5, same process. I want us to have a little more steps than we did for example 1, 2, and 3. Example 5, we have here 2x minus y equals -1, and 8x minus 4y equals -4. Okay, so there we go. So here we're going to do the same thing. We have here 2 equations. We're doing a process elimination, meaning I want to eliminate one of the variables. Okay, so now you look, these are not opposites, so I can't eliminate those. These are not opposites, so I can't eliminate it. I have to do a step first. I have to make them additive inverses. Either you could do the x or the y. It doesn't matter which one you do. Okay. In this case, I'm going to do the y terms because this is -1. Okay. So multiply by 1 is very easy, right? Okay. That's what we say, but I could do that one, but I'm going to do this one. This is -4, so I need to make this coefficient the opposite of -4. What is the opposite of -4? There you go, +4. So I need to make this a +4. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply +4. That's negative, so I'm going to multiply by what? -4. Okay, so multiply that by -4. I'm going to say 2x minus y equals -1. Multiply the entire equation by -4. -4 times 2 is -8x. -4 times -y is +4y equals -4 times -1 is a +4. Okay, so this is my first equation. So I'm going to rewrite it over here. I'm going to put -8x plus 4y equals 4. That's the first equation. The second equation is 8x minus 4y equals -4. What do you notice? When I did that, when I multiplied by -4, it made my x terms additive inverse and my y terms additive inverse. Uh-oh, what does that tell you? What's going to happen to the variables? Are we going to have any variables? Let's go ahead and combine these equations. So the additive inverses, there's an additive inverse, so that goes to 0. This is additive inverse, so it goes to 0. So I have here 0, bring down your equals. 4 minus 4 is 0. So I have here a true statement. So if I have a true statement, what is my solution? Yep, that's it, that's it. If it's a true statement, it's going to be infinitely many solutions. Okay. It's infinite many solution. That means that any number, all real number, any number will satisfy this equation. Why? It'll satisfy the system because they are the same. It's the same line. If you graph this, you'll get coinciding lines. I mean, you'll get one line because they are the same. These equations are the same. Okay? That was example 5. Guys, I've done 5 examples for you. You need to rewind the video, listen to it, write down the steps, and you need to try problems on your own to practice it. The more you practice, the better you'll feel about it. Guys, I do what I do because of you. Okay? So try it. You do have access to ebooks if you're here at South GP 9th Grade Center with Mrs. Emanuel. You have your login information. Have fun with it. Enjoy the math. Math is so fun as long as you practice. Okay? I understand. Love you guys. Bye.